In an on-camera walkthrough, this model is your value. Simple, gets the job done. Pick, characterize it as the no-fuss 30-inch under-cabinet hood intended for smaller kitchens, budget remodels, and people who want basic ventilation without bells and whistles. Start by showing the hood's housing and push-button fan light controls. Then explain that this SKU is often sold as a ductless option, recirculating, which uses charcoal or carbon filters to scrub odors when you can't vent outside. That's a key decision point for renters and condo owners. For specifications, keep it straightforward. It's a compact under-cabinet insert with an exhaust fan and light designed for everyday stovetop work rather than professional frying, and its price historically places it at the lower end of the market for 30-inch hoods, a big selling point that plenty of reviewers highlight. Walkthrough use cases on camera. Sorting and boiling? Great. Heavy, continuous deep frying or wok cooking? That's where even a solid budget hood will struggle, and you should cue viewers to consider a higher CFM model or external venting. Pull in real-world user feedback. Customers commonly praise the unit for being quiet and for its value-to-performance ratio, and installers report it's straightforward to mount under a cabinet or as a simple insert. The usual caveats are the expected limits of recirculating setups, filter replacements, and odor control that's good but not industrial. For buying tips, remind viewers to check whether their home already has ducting, measure their cabinet cutout, and plan whether they'll pay extra for a pro installation, plus call out the frequent availability of replacement filters and the low cost of parts compared with premium hoods. Finish with your verdict for the typical buyer, renters, tight budgets, light cooks, and the CTA. We share by links in description box.